Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In my last video I had made an unboxing on E200 mini soundbar, and in this video I'm going to unbox E200plus. If you're looking for the mini soundbar under 1000 rupees, take a look at the video of E200. And if you want more features of like Bluetooth connectivity and many more sound quality, take a look at this video, and I'm going to unwrap this and take a look at it. This is the E200plus mini soundbar, and it is having a Bluetooth connectivity. Let me open and show you what's inside the box. It is same as the E200, and let's check what's inside the box. These are the cables they have given. Let's check what kind of a cables. This is a 3.5mm output and 2 TV output, I think so. And this is the aux cable, as you can see it. And this is the USB power cable, I think so. And these are all the things in it. Let me take it out the speaker. Wow, this is the speaker in the same design which they made for the E200. It's the same design, no cables. Okay, let us check the sound quality in this by playing the music. The design and the build quality is same as the E200 part. The features included in the E200plus soundbar is USB mode, aux mode and Bluetooth mode. Here the green light indicates USB mode, red light indicates aux mode and blue light indicates Bluetooth mode. And at one side of the soundbar, buttons are included. You can change the modes by clicking on the power button, and you can control the volume, and you can change the songs also. And at back side, on-off switch is given, and power input, USB port and 3.5mm jack is given.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.